Welcome to the 2020 edition of What Does John Wear on the BDRs? Same as last year, right? I still have the Oakley air brake goggles. These are the Prism gold kind of rose tinted lenses. These things are awesome in the morning, in the evening. It's just tinted enough. If it's super bright, it just cuts the glare off. Really good goggles. I still have my RIXD4 helmet. I did the review on this. Nothing's changed. I still absolutely love this helmet. And again, you saw that the goggles fit nice inside of it. So if you're out riding when it's dusty and you need a pair of goggles, they will fit in here. Did a review, go look at the review, still love this helmet. Sorry about the helmet head. This is day 6 on the Idaho Backcountry Discovery Routes, so you're gonna have to forgive me. Next up, I have the Kriega Trail 18 pack. I've been wearing this for a couple thousand miles now, and I really like it. I have not done a review on it yet. Basically, it's their bigger trail pack that has some waterproof compartments to it. So there's this main compartment in the back, which also has my lid, where I usually keep clothes and gloves and whatnot. And then there's the main compartment that is not waterproof, which is in here, and then it has this other little tiny waterproof pocket in it that you can put other stuff in. So it's got 2 separate waterproof spots and then a non-waterproof spot for like a bladder or something. Super comfortable. Anytime you see a backpack with a harness that's got this kind of X-frame thing going on, these things ride really nice, and it doesn't get in your way at all either. I really like it. What I don't have on right now, although I'm going to put it on soon, it's getting dusky here, it's starting to cool off, is I still have my Moscow Moto Basilisk jacket. Again, it's event waterproof. It's got this insanely burly, high-tech, bulletproof looking stuff on it. Couple crashes, no scars, no dings. I did a review on this. They actually have a, I did a review on this. They actually have a version, it's like version 1.2 now. They've changed just a couple things. This is the older version. I'll probably have to get the new version because now it comes in red and blue. And if you can tell, I kind of like things that are red. It's my mask for these COVID times. It's also kind of warm when it's cold out. So anyways, all this is just a buff. Gloves, again, get whatever gloves fit your hand and you like. I've got Fox, I've got Fly, I've got some off-brand, whatever works and doesn't poke me in the hands or give me any blisters, those I keep. Everything else goes to the grandkids. Jersey is just that, it's just a jersey, and all it's doing is keeping the dust from getting through the rest of my layers. Underneath, I'm still rocking and I'm still loving the Forcefield body armor. I'm pretty sure I did a review on this. Again, nothing's changed. I've worn this, again, this is day 6, so I'm a little over 1,000 miles into this, and I've worn it every day, and it's holding up really well. It doesn't chafe. There are a couple pinch points depending on your body shape to be aware of, but for the most part when I'm riding, you don't feel them. But if you try it on and you're like doing weird stuff, you'll notice that the shoulder plates sometimes bang into the chest protector in front and back. Again, when you're riding, you don't really notice it. And when it gets warm, it just kind of bends to your shape. The other thing I really liked about this was, other than it's a complete system and it all kind of sticks together, is that it protects your ribs. And it was kind of hard to find other than like a full roost protector, one of the big ones that comes all the way around, it's kind of hard to find things that protect your ribs. And if you crash, one of the things that's going to kill you is a rib into your lung. So hopefully I won't die. Underneath, I've been wearing whatever base layer. This is the Climb Cool 2.0 or something like that. It's just one of the other ones. I also have an O'Neill rash guard shirt that I like a lot. If you look at some of the videos, you see I have a bright red shirt on. That's that. Anything that has like flat lock seams to wear underneath the body armor. Otherwise, it is going to bother you. This year, Moskomoto came out with these new Woodsman Enduro pants. I did a video on it. We'll throw that link up too. Basically, it's shoulder material that they use for a lot of mountaineering pants, and it's normal material up here. It's waterproof from here. I don't know if you can see that. It's a different material. It's waterproof from here to here, and it's waterproof in the seat from here to here. Right, so where you get splashed and when you sit down on your cold seat in the morning, it protects that. These pockets are waterproof in the front. The back is not waterproof, and the zippers aren't waterproof either. So these are not necessarily waterproof pockets. Lots of pockets to keep your earplugs in, keep your, what else have I got? My cell phone, got my wallets down in there, and they stretch really good. Now right now they fit super well because I have another layer on underneath this. When I take off my knee braces and my hip protectors, they fit a little loose on me. So keep that in mind. If I never wore protection underneath these pants, I would probably have to go to a 30. And I have a review, we go over all this stuff. Just know that I really, really like these pants. They're super stretchy, and they move with you, and just enough pockets and just enough venting, right? There's inlet and there's an exhaust vent. If you're going to go out in the hot, these might be a bit much. For everything else, for the rest of your riding though, I really, really like these pants. I have the CD, I think these are the TA3s. Basically, it's a traditional sole. So they're motocross boots. So when you're doing your enduro touring or whatever, I recommend getting motocross boots because you're probably going to crash in them. If you're riding all the expert sections or wherever you're going, you're probably going pretty hard. Don't just get a lightweight pair of adventure boots. Go ahead and get the motocross boots. Now, the first thing when it comes to any boot, doesn't matter what you're getting, fit is king. You might love the look of the Alpenstars, and I do. I really want the Alpenstars Tech 7 Enduros because they're waterproof and they're everything I want in a boot. But Alpenstars fit big on my feet. I've got skinny feet, and the CDs fit really well, especially the ones with a regular sole. So that's why I'm wearing these boots. Not because they're my favorite, because they fit my feet first, and second, I happen to really like them. They're super comfortable. So y'all want to always know, everybody wants me to get naked in these things. I don't know why. So underneath this, I wear Climb's tactical base layer, right? So basically, they're underwear, they're super breathable, and they've got these little 3DO, they have their own name for it. It's probably cost twice as much because it's Climb. But they have their own 3DO armor. So you got these plates, and then a little plate over your tailbone. And I crash. Maybe a lot, maybe not. I don't know, I'm just saying. So far, I haven't walked away with any bruises or anything from my hips or my thighs. They fit great, they move with you, and they breathe pretty well. I would rather wear shorts, but I still wear underneath, I still have my Alpenstar knee braces or knee guards, and it's this kind. I find that I need something underneath these to keep from chafing on my legs. And I found that wearing something between these and my skin, and pants just happen to work the best, the easiest. For my socks, I still have my Darn Tough padded ski socks. Best boot socks ever. There you go. That's basically it. And then a pair of shorts underneath all this stuff. Okay, I'm gonna pull my pants up now. I hope you don't mind. What I've been wearing for the BDRs, the only difference is in Arizona, I had a pair of Adventure Spec pants that were still too hot, but whatever. But the basic system has remained exactly the same. And it's basically what I used last year, right? Okay, there you go. So you want to know what I wear, and no chafing, no hot spots, no nothing. I'm super comfortable. I don't even, at the moment, need to take all this off. And today was a 250-mile day. And other than my feet are sweaty, because these boots don't breathe so great, I'm pretty comfortable. Although I'm a little chilly. So the other thing I do bring when it's cold out is I have an Arc'teryx Atom jacket. This is their heavier one, and it's sized a little large so that I can fit it over my armor. Keep in mind that anything you put on underneath your armor is going to compress and lose all of its insulating capabilities. That's why I would like to wear my jacket over my armor, and this Arc'teryx piece is just the right size to do that in. Okay, that's it. Any questions? Comments below. I'll answer them as quick as I can. And as always, thanks for watching me get naked. Okay, that's enough of that.